So, next topic is importance of water for the living organisms. Firstly, we will discuss why water is important, which property of water makes it important, what is the main property of water due to which it have become important for the all living organisms. It have the property of dissolving various substances. It have the property of dissolving various substances which make it useful for all the type of living organisms. Firstly, we will discuss why it is important for humans and animals. We know water regulates the body temperature by the process of sweating and evaporation. Water which we are drinking, that it is coming out of our body in the process by the process of sweating and evaporation, and which regulates the body temperature. Next one is water inside the body of animals and humans dissolves minerals, gases and many products of digestion and carries them at the place of the need in the body. The food which we are taking, which we are eating, from that many type of the nutrients and minerals are released, and all the parts of the body need that nutrients, and with the help of water that nutrients, that minerals are transported to the body parts. Next is many biochemical reactions which are taking place inside our body. Water is a medium for all these biochemical reactions. For the plants, it helps for the germination of the seed. When the seed have to grow, it needs water. After that, for its growth, it need water. Then for making food, it also need water. These were the uses for the humans and animals. Why it is important for humans and animals? Now we will read some other uses, which mostly in industrial activities we require water. In industries, for making paper, for making cloth, for refining, for making fertilizer, so many products which are made in the chemical industries, we require here a large amount of water. Due to more use of water in the industries, in factories, there is lot of wastage, there is much pollution of water, because the waste water which is coming out from the factory, that is released in the water bodies. Next use is many plants and animals are living in the water. Some special type of plants and animals, they live in the lakes, rivers. Next is water is a good medium for transportation. People, with the help of the water via ships, they transport the materials, they transport the goods from one country to another. Next is sometimes water is acting as a carrier of seed from one place to another. For example, coconut, they are falling in the water, and in which direction water flows, in the same direction that seed is going. From one place to another place, seed is being dispersed by the help of water. Next is water is also a medium for recreational sports. The sports which are played for our entertainment, such as swimming, boating, water skiing, that also take place with the help of water. Next is flowing water. Water which is flowing with the very high speed, that is used for generating electricity with the help of a water wheel, because when the water is falling with the very high speed, the moving water have some kinetic energy. We will read about that in higher classes. What is kinetic energy? Moving water have kinetic energy, and this moving water falls on the water wheel, and this water wheel then rotates the dynamo, which will generate the electricity. Next is flowing water, moving water, also used for doing some mechanical work in which some movement is going on, such as running a floor mill. In a floor mill we are using flowing water, drawing water from a well. Next is in cold countries water is used to keep the houses warm. Next is water is in the radiator of a car, helps in keeping its engine cool. It acts as a coolant.